like you have a ghost behind you.
You coming, Marissa?
Coming out by our town. Woo!
It's going on YouTube.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Do another one. Farther away from me.
Brittany, I want to ride.
Oh my God. This is fun.
Kelsey, you're right in the middle of the camera, baby.
Can you figure out how to do videos?
No, Harris doesn't do video.
Hey, I want you to do something. Videotape me no-handed.
Go. Woo, Marissa. You go long ways. Girl.
She's good at that. That girl's good at it.
She sure is. I didn't know you could go that long no-handed. That was pretty cool.
Did you get all of it?